So we're joining chain. I broke a drive link, not a cutter, so we're using tie strap, which consists of these two pieces here. I retrieved an Oregon drive link from a good Oregon chain. We want to put it back together. No spinner. So I'm going to use the edge of a felon wedge and a punch. A couple of ball peen hammers. One ball peen hammer. Two more hands. Hold itself together. And up here on the wedge. the sun here. Everything's nice and smooth. Notice we got our drive link headed in the right direction. Now, take another strap and tie this back together, and we're back in business. We lost a cutter, but we're back in business. Okay, there's our tie strap, and here's the plate that joins them. Alright, I clamped that whole assembly together with a pair of needle nose vice grips. You don't have to do that. That's what I'm doing. I found it makes it a little easier. Alright, we're holding together. Finish it off with ball-peen hammers. Alright, without moving anything, I'll take you straight off the tripod and we'll go right to it. Both these side by side, that's what we done. This drive link broke right here. And we put 2 tie straps in, lost a cutter. We're now running a skip tooth chain, and we've got an uneven number of cutters. I have found that that does not matter at all. Alright, there we are. Back in business. Thought that I was going to be able to use that cutter, but no. Be too wide. these tie straps. You can buy a roll of chain and use these tie straps to put chains together too. As to the why about this, we can't just, I can't just up and run to town whenever I need something, like a chain. Spare chains are nice. And we see here, look at the size of the cutters on this thing. Plenty of life left. It's breaking, but, you know, keep using it. But maybe that'll help you if you buy a roll of chain. Don't have to have a spinner. Spinners are not real expensive, but you don't have to have it. A piece of railroad tie, you don't even have to have that. A nut or something that the pins will fit over the top of. A vise will work. Old steel felling wedges, something to be said about those. These are still available. You can still buy these at most any hardware store. 5 pound. No maker's mark. These are from the 1940s, 1950s. I moved a piano one time with a fella. He gave me those and an axe head. Proud to get those. I hope you've enjoyed this, and maybe it'll help you. If not, maybe it was entertaining. Ecclesiastes 9:10. Whatsoever your hands find to do, do it with all your might. Thank you for watching.